Yo, doing some extreme camping here in the Badlands of Utah, and I'm using some Bone Tactical products. I got the Bone Tactical headlight. I like it more than the I like it a little bit more than the this other one I got, because the beam is brighter and it's more solid. The other one I got, it just kind of shines out. You shine light onto things, but this one's like a strong ultraviolet shine, so it's a little better. You have like a strong definition of the beam. It's a cool light. It's a cool light. Over there on the fire, I'm heating up some water in the Bone Tactical Canteen to make some dog food. And I've never heated up water in a canteen before. I've never had a reason, but I'm a long ways away from any other way to do that right now, so I'm trying it out, and I wanted to make a little video showing you this big weird rock. So this dog is the pickiest dog, and it's all my fault. So I got him out here on this excursion and found out that he is a picky dog, and he wouldn't eat really anything that I offered him, especially the dog food. And then as I started to figure out a way to make him eat the dog food by putting chicken broth in it, when we were at Lake Powell, a bunch of crows ate all the food. We were only gone from the camp about an hour, and all these crows ate all the food. So I'm gonna show you guys what it's like to prepare a meal for a really picky dog that won't eat when food is scarce. So, okay, it's already bubbling up. Oh shit. That didn't really take long at all. That's a pretty cool canteen. It's only been on that fire for like 10 minutes. Oh yeah, cool. All right, so my dog likes, sometimes he'll eat chicken and brown rice. Well, he'll always eat chicken. Sometimes he'll shit on the brown rice. We're gonna feed him. We're gonna see if he'll eat it. I think he will. This is a really cool canteen, you know. If you can boil water in it that fast with that little fire, you know, shit, it's a cool tool. You could use it. Dog food, brown rice, and chicken, and an egg. Let's see if he eats it. He might be hungry enough to eat the dog food. So, like I say, I've never boiled water in a canteen before, and this is advertised to be for that. And you know, the paint burned off. Maybe if you're planning on people boiling water in it on fire in either a survival or camping scenario, just do plain steel and don't put flammable melty paint on there to make the logo all fucked off, because now the logo's all fucked off.